In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Calendly to Facebook, making it effortless for your audience to book appointments with you directly from your Facebook page. This is a great way to enhance your engagement and streamline the booking process for your clients. To begin, you'll want to log in to your Calendly account. Make sure you have your login credentials ready, and once you're in, you'll find yourself on your dashboard. This is your central hub where you can manage all your scheduling needs. Now, let's choose the event type you want to offer on your Facebook page. Typically, this might be a consultation or a meeting, whatever best suits your needs. Picking the right event type is crucial as it'll determine what kind of appointments your visitors can schedule with you. Once you've selected the appropriate event, look for the Share button. It's usually located right next to your event type. Click on it and copy the link that appears. This link is what you'll be posting on your Facebook page and will be the gateway for your clients to book appointments with you. Next, head over to your Facebook page. You should already be logged in to your account. If not, get logged in and navigate over to your business page. Once there, look for the Add button situated just under your cover photo. It might be labeled as plus Add button or something similar, and this is a key step in making your Calendly event accessible from Facebook. After clicking Add button, you'll see various options you can add to your page. Scroll through to find and select the Book Now option. This choice is specifically designed for scheduling and booking integrations, and it perfectly aligns with what we're aiming to do with your Calendly link. Now, you'll be prompted to enter a URL. This is where you paste the Calendly link you copied earlier. Carefully do this, ensuring there are no typos, as any mistake here could lead potential clients to the wrong place. Double check to make sure everything looks right. Once you're satisfied with the setup, hit save. And there you have it. Your Calendly link is now successfully integrated into your Facebook page. This simple addition will allow potential clients to effortlessly book their appointments with you directly through Facebook, providing an improved user experience and potentially increasing your booking volume. Take a moment to test the button yourself. Click it to see if everything runs smoothly and that it directs you to your Calendly event as intended. If it does, you're all set to start engaging with your audience more effectively. If there's an issue, go back through these steps to ensure everything is configured correctly. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you connect with your clients seamlessly through Facebook. Happy scheduling!